Hey guys, wanted to make a quick video real quick to talk to you about Ontraport. We are just put together a course right now and it's in pre-sale. If you're using Ontraport and you're trying to figure out how to use it, how all the features work, maybe you logged in and you're like, holy crap, there's a ton of stuff here. And I need to figure out where to start and how to really take my business to the next level and how to scale with the software I just signed up for. So this course is going to literally walk you through how to set up your account, all the way to the advanced features like custom objects and dealing with landing pages and the campaign builder, the partner site, how that works, how the plugins work with your WordPress website. We're going to be covering all of that in this course. So if you're someone that's on YouTube or you're out and you're searching, you're trying to figure out how do I put this software together, how do I use this, I'm urging you to check out this course. It's going to save you tons of time. Some of our clients have said that they've spent years trying to figure out Ontraport, months trying to figure out Ontraport. And even though Ontraport does a great job of putting content out, the problem is that it's not laid out in a way that is sequential. So it's not like, okay, start here, go here, 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 and here. And that's how we created this course, to really walk you from start to finish all the way through. Now, once this course is launched, you can jump through it if you want. But we highly recommend just starting from the bottom if you're just now signing in and work your way up. If you're someone that has had the course for a while and you have things set up, then it's okay to jump through and do your thing. And even if you're a company that maybe you've hired a consultant like us, Processology, to help you set up these systems, this course will even become a resource for training. So if you have someone new on and you want to teach them how to use a CRM, how the tasks work, how the notes work, things like that, you can use portions of this course for that training as well. So either way, check it out. If you're scratching your head and you're trying to figure out how do I use Ontraport, this course is for you. Even if you haven't dug in deep and you're basically using it as a digital Rolodex, as just a basic CRM to take notes, make calls, things like that, check out the course, see what the power is. Right now, depending on when you're listening to this video, we may still be in the pre-course, I'm sorry, not pre-course, pre-sale place. So if you are, you can save huge on this course and really get this course just for giving us a try and kind of being that test crowd for us and helping us get this off the ground. The reason we're creating is because we see a lot of confusion when it comes to the system, and we wanted to create a course that puts everything in one place, and it's going to allow you to take things to the next level. So join the course. The link is going to be in the description. Check it out. Let us know what you think. Let us know if it's solving your problems, because that's what it's really meant to do. Anyway, see you guys on the other side. If you're trying to figure out even how to even get started with something like Ontraport or any other type of software, check out processology.net. It's going to be a great place where we can help you strategize and figure out what processes, what type of automation, what type of things should you be putting in your business to make sure that you're operating better, faster, and cheaper. See you guys on the other side.